Former president of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, Lenworth, Fulton, has been hailed a titan and champion of local agriculture. He was honored during a special service of tribute at the 4-H Center at the Denby Agricultural Showground in Clarendon. Mr. Fulton, who also served as Chief Executive Officer of the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, and Executive Director of the Jamaica 4-H Clubs, died in hospital on December 8. Government Minister Robert Montague praised Mr. Fulton for his leadership, noting that his dedication to agriculture and community development left a lasting impact on Jamaica.
And I remember when I lost my election in 2011 college, one of the first persons to call me election night was Lenworth. I said, "I'm glad you lose, but I'm sorry." And he also made a commitment. He said, "You're going nowhere. You're going to stay with the people and work with the people and come back at the next election."
We would have lost a champion who speak on behalf of the little man, who forged their economic development in agriculture. We'd have lost someone who believed that we should grow what we eat and eat what we grow.